Welcome to our beloved rec, the heart and soul of our vibrant arts community here at Springside Chestnut Hill Academy. Today, the rec stands as a testament to our commitment to fostering creativity and excellence in the arts. However, as with any aging facility, it is in need of significant renovation and modernization.
Hello, my name is Arisay Olagunji McWilliams and I am class of 2024 and I am one of your Players Co-President. Take a look around. We love this rec, but it needs our help.
I am a proud member of the Arts Council and we are taking a seat to support the rec and help imagine a beautiful, bright future for our space here, this incredible performing arts center. The history is here, you can feel it, but let's take this building into the future. We need you to help us do that. Please consider taking a seat with us and build a brighter future for this incredible space. We want our students to imagine and dream and create here.
I have been associated with this wonderful school for over 50 years, and I am now a grandparent to 3 SCH students who are very much looking forward to performing in this space.
My daughters Ashley and Caitlin and my son Ryan are all SCH players, and they are proud to call the Igloo their home.
The Alumni Association took a seat to help restore the rec. Will you join us?
The parents took a seat for the rec. Will you?
The Arts Council took a seat for the rec. Will you?
Help us make this space a reality. Miss Gep.
Together, we can make a difference and ensure that our students have the transformative, creative space they deserve. Thank you for your support in imagining the stories yet to be told in this space.